Hi guys! Today I'm going to open my gift. Well, you might say, why would I open my gift because it's not yet Christmas? I will open my gift because I cannot wait any longer. Because you know, Christmas is coming. And I'm really excited to open one of my gifts. And I looked under the Christmas tree and I said, I have a lot of gifts. Why don't I open one of them? Because I cannot wait any longer. You know that feeling like when you can't wait any longer, you want to do something. So I asked my mom if it's okay. She said it's okay, so I'm gonna open this one and tell you guys what's in it. I don't know either, but I hope I'm going to get excited. So I will start opening from, I don't know, I really want to rip the paper. I think I can. I think I will rip the paper. 3, 2, 1. It will now open. I think I will rip the paper. I will rip the paper. I hear it tearing. It's an OMG doll. It's an OMG doll. I've been dreaming for this. OMG doll. So cool. And I hear this fact, when you pull this part, you see it's color white. When you pull it slowly. Wait, there's tape. Pull it slowly. Okay, something's there. You pull it. You can see her color, but when you put it back, she's just white. And you can see all her accessories with her. Can't wait to open it and see her accessories and the doll. So let's get opening. Oh, here's her little sister. I actually have this doll too, but I thought I kept it. Yeah, I kept it a long time ago. So let's open. Here, I'm opening it. I'm so excited. What kind of doll this is? Wait. Her name is Speedster. Her name's Speedster. Here's the other dolls. It's kind of dark. You think, guys, you see it? And I'm so excited. So excited. I'm so happy. I'm going to say thank you to my mom and dad. It has 15 surprises. OMG doll. Let's open. Pull it slowly. Wait. There's tape. There's tape over here. No wonder I cannot pull the box out. There's tape. Here's tape. I hope this is the last tape because I cannot wait to open this already. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, her photo is following the box. Okay, let's open it slowly so it will not follow the box. Oh, the photo keeps. Let me hold it down. Here's the doll. She also comes with a hanger. And here's the doll. She also has a hat box. So cool. It has a name, LOL OMG. Her stand. Oh, the one that's holding her. The piece. And this is the doll. Let me take off the tape around her. Here's the doll. Here's... Oh, she also comes with a hanger. Oh my god. She also comes with a hanger. Wow, I'm so happy. Oh, and here's the stick that's holding her stand. And her hairbrush. But I mean, like, her hair is hairspray. Her hair's hairspray. Let me fix her hair. She also has bangs. And from now on, my LOL doll has a big sister. Oh, wow, my headband color changes. Wow, green, red. Okay, let's assemble all her stuff and see what's inside this box. All her stuff, I cannot wait to see. Because you saw a while ago here in the box, she changes color. So I think that she's going to have some gloves. See, some gloves, some earrings, and I don't know, probably that, because we already see her jacket and her shorts. That's also on the picture. So let's get to building. I think we should going to do the stand first and then open her stuff later. I'm going to put the stand. It also says LOL OMG. I'm going to put the stand. When you hear that click, I'll do it again so you can hear the click. It didn't click. Okay, there. And click. And then this, you can just slide it up and down, adjust to your doll. And here, let's put our doll on it. There! Our doll's standing. She's standing. And you can mold her arms. Her arms are you can move them and you can pose her. But her legs aren't articulated, only her arms. And her clothes are so cute. And they're neon colors. Kind of shines bright with the light. So you can see it's a little bit neon. Now that we have the stand, let's move it aside and open her accessories. I'm surprised that LOL changed into wrapping tissues instead of blind bags. Now she has, I think this is for her little sister. Wow. She has a gift for her little sister, some glasses. But I hope she also has glasses of her own. And I heard OMG dolls, you see this hair spray? That's lights up. You put it on their face and they will light up. I will try this later, you guys, when it's dark. So let me let the doll sit down. You can see that glow there, that glows. And you press the button here. And I think this is where you put the battery. You see the screwdriver? Or does it have, or no? Or does it not have batteries? I don't know. But, oh, she actually comes with fire sunglasses. Neon orange. So cute. Oh, and also some gloves. See the yellow gloves like the picture? And some earrings. I hope her little sister's happy that she comes with her little sister's glasses. So here's some of her earrings. They're up and down. You might thought that I did that on purpose, but no, here's the studs. So that's what the earrings are supposed to be. Okay, and that's empty. I hope I didn't miss anything. And roll it up, put it in the hat box, and put it away. Now, her clothes. My hair looks beautiful. Now, we're going to put it on her with a hairbrush, but I don't think we can brush her hair. It's like hairsprayed. Notice her hair is kind of like hairsprayed. So I don't think, only the bangs I think we can brush out. And mold it into little circle rolls. Her bangs look so cute. Look, it's rolls, little rolls. We're gonna let her dress up, but first we need to take off the boots. Slowly take off the boots. Here's one boot. The other boot. They have mismatching studs. You can see the other one's orange, the other one's pink. We can now finally put on her clothes. I think I will do the shorts first, because I think it's gonna be really difficult to put on the jacket because of her really detailed arms, fingers. And look, her arms have long nails, and really detailed. Really detailed. Her fingers and arms are really detailed. She also has a tattoo. And then the other side are flags, 2 flags. And this one says BB. So beautiful. Put her shorts on. And when she's finally dressed with her accessories, I'm going to show you guys what she looks like. Just like the picture, and show you with the lights off and when she's dark, when it's dark, and I will put the UV light on her and what will happen. The shorts are just a Velcro, so it's easy to put on and take off. The leggings look like it's just rubber. You can take it on or off. The top also, this top is also Velcro at the back. So we're going to put the jacket on. The little hanger is so cute. It also says LOL OMG. So cute. Put her jacket on, I think. I'm going to take off her hands. Oh, snap. And put her on, put her jacket on. I mean, it's supposed to come off. I've seen it once in a tutorial, how to open it properly and put her clothes on. And I'm really surprised that I really got an OMG doll. And finally my wall doll has a big sister. So there's her jacket on. This is what she looks like with her jacket on. Is it really like that her tummy's coming out? Never mind. I guess so. But it does look good on her. Let's try the boots on too. And with the accessories. Put the pink one there. The yellow one's on the right. The pink one's on the left. Or... wait, yeah. Twist it in. My God, it's not pretty. Let me twist it a bit. There. It's finally on. On my left, it's orange, because if it's turned around, it's going to be on my left, but the orange, if I turn it here, it's on my right. Her right leg, and this is her left leg. So the pink's on the left, and here's the orange. On the right, on the left. Here's the orange, here's the pink. That's how it's supposed to be assembled. To match her clothes, as you notice, this is the orange part, and here's also orange shoes. Pink part, also pink shoes. Pink heel, the heel looks like fire. And at the back has a plaid or mismatched, like a racing flag. And at the front is just white. Just white and yellow soles. I mean, the bottom yellow. I'm so excited. What would she look like with the UV light, the purple UV light? Probably from the camera you cannot see that it's purple, but to me, yeah, it's purpley blue. Because of the light, you cannot see it. But later, I will show it to you. Here, I put it on her hands. The other hand, put it on. Put the other hand on, and put the earrings. The earrings that's going up, you should put it on the right side. That's going up, and the one's going down. But actually there's holes, you can pierce it, you can see there's holes there in her ear. You can see the piercing. The bottom earrings should be at the left side of her head. There, left ear. There, this is what she looks like. Now we should put on the gloves, and then we will see what she looks like. I think they didn't involve the glasses because they wanted it to look like, because there's a UV light involved, so they don't want to have glasses so you won't see her face. You should really take off the glasses if you want to use the UV light. Cannot see her face. I've seen it once in a tutorial. This is my first time seeing an OMG doll in real life. It makes me feel crazy. There. She's so beautiful with gloves. Now let's put on her glasses. I don't want it to be on her face. I just want it to be on top. There. Top. On top. It's cute. So you guys, let's put her on the stand. Wait, I think you can't see it, guys. You can see her. So cute on her stand. So you guys, now this is my doll. She looks so cute. Let's see what happens when the lights are off. And now this is what she looks like. I mean, it's morning, so we can't see it's that dark. It's morning, so it's a little bit still shiny. So this is what she looks like to me. I can see the flames in her eyes. This side. You can see that flame there, that flame. And her lipstick glows. It works better at night, but I'm vlogging in the morning, so here. It looks so cool. You can see the flames. But you cannot see it on with her glasses. Can't see it. Really. I cannot see it too. Only the lipstick though. And her outfit's so neon. So cool. That's all for today. Bye guys. And see you in my next vlogging.